Hello everyone. Today the topic that we're going to discuss is animating interactive programs. The topics that we're going to discuss today are the introduction, the power of animating interactive programs, enhancing user experience with animation, types of animation in interactive programs, best practice for animating interactive programs, tools for animating interactive programs, conclusion, the future of animating interactive programs. First, introduction. The interactive animation is an art form that has been around for centuries. From the early days of hand drawn animation to the modern world of computer generated imaginary, artists have been used animation to bring their creation to life. In recent years, there has been a surge in the use of interactive animation in digital programs, allowing users to engage with content in new and exciting ways. So, animating interactive programs in a computer graphic involves creating dynamic and responsive visual elements that can be manipulated by user input. There are several approaches to achieve this, depending on the programming language and graphic libraries or framework we are using. So, the animating interactive programs in computer graphics is a process of creating of moving images from static data. This can be done by using a variety of techniques, including keyframe, frame to frame animation, tweening, motion capture, and simulation. So, here the frame by frame animation. This is the simplest form of animation where each frame of animation is created separately and then played back in sequence. Tweening. This is a technique for creating smooth animation between two or more frames. Tweening algorithm use mathematical functions to calculate the intermediate frames, which can save a lot of time and effort. And then the motion capture. This is the technique for recording the movement of a real object or a person and then using the data to animate virtual object. Motion capture can be used to create realistic animations of humans, animals, or machines. The last is simulation. So this is a technique for creating animations that simulate the behavior of physical objects. Simulations can be used to create realistic animations of natural phenomena such as fluid flow or the movement of planets. The power of animating interactive programs. In today's fast-paced digital world, it is most important than ever to create engaging and dynamic user experience. And one of the most effective ways to do that is through animation. By adding animations to your interactive programs, you can capture users' attention, guide them through your interface, and create sense of delight and wonder that will keep them coming back to more. Animating interactive programs can significantly enhance the user experience and bring several benefits. Animating interactive programs can significantly enhance the user experience and bring several benefits. Here are some of the powerful aspects and advantages of animating interactive programs. Enhanced user engagement, improved communication, feedback, guided user experience, visual appeal and branding, realism and immersion, emotional impact, gamification and fun. Overall, animating interactive program has the power to transform static user interface into dynamic. By leveraging the capabilities of animation, you can improve communication, guide users, enhance aesthetics, and create a more impressive and delightful user experience. Next is the enhancing user experience with animation. Animation is a powerful tool that can greatly enhance the user experience of interactive programs. By adding motion and visual interest, animation can make interface more engaging and intuitive for users. For example, hover effect can provide instant feedback to users when they interact with buttons or links. Transitions can make page change feel smoother and less jarring. And animation triggers by using actions such as scrolling or clicking can create a sense of progression and help guide users through complex interactions. So here are some of the Ways in which animation can be used to enhance the user experience: visual feedback, transitions and continuity, micro interactions, visual hints and cues, storytelling and narrative, delightful interaction, visual hierarchy and focus. So when using animations to enhance the user experience, it is important to strike a balance between functional and artistic consideration. Animation should serve its purpose, adding value to the user experience rather than being purely decorative or distracting. The next topic is types of animations interactive in interactive programs. There are various types of animation that can be used in interactive program to enhance the user experiences. Hover effect are the popular type of animation used in interactive programs. They allow users to interact with elements on a page by hovering their mouse over them. This can create a more engaging and dynamic experience for the user. So here are some common types of animations. Translation animation. So translation are other type of animation that can be used to enhance the user experience of interactive programs. They provide a smooth visual change between two states, such as when a button is clicked or blink or a menu is opened. So the another type is animation. Animation is triggered by using action or a powerful way to create interactive programs. This animation responds to user input such as clicking a button or scrolling down a page. So the other types are micro interactions. So the micro interactions are small, stubble animation that provide feedback and enhance the user experience. And then transformations. The transformation involves animating the position, size, and rotation. And then the scroll animations. The scroll animations are triggered by the user scrolling the program's content. So these are just few examples of the types of animations that can be used in interactive programs. So the choice of animation types depends on the specific program's requirement, the user's experience goals, and the creative vision of the designer. So the best practice for animating interactive programs. When it comes to animating interactive programs, less is often more. Keeping animation simple and stable can create a more polished and professional feel, while excessive motion can be distracting and overwhelming for users. Consider using animations to highlight key elements or transitions, rather than adding animations for the sake of animations. Another important aspect to consider when animating interactive programs is timing. So the duration and speed of animations should be carefully chosen to ensure a smooth and natural flow. Experiment with different timing to find the right balance between speed and ease. So the tools for animating interactive programs. To implement these techniques, we can use programming languages such as C++, Java, Python, or JavaScript, along with the graphics libraries or frameworks like OpenGL, DirectX, WebGL, or Unity 3D. These tools provide APIs and functionalities to handle graphics, rendering, input processing, and animation control. Here are some commonly used tools and frameworks. Unity. So Unity is a popular game development engine that provides a comprehensive set of tools for creating interactive and animated programs. And then Unreal Engine. So this is another powerful game development engine that offers a robust animation tool and a visual scripting system called Blueprints. And then the Blender. Blender is a free and open source 3D modeling and animation software. It has a powerful animation system that supports keyframe animations, skeletal animations, and physical simulations. Adobe Animate. Formerly known as Flash, Adobe Animate is a widely used tool for creating a 2D interactive animations. It provides a timeline-based animation editor with support of keyframes. Autodesk Maya. Maya is a professional 3D animation software commonly used in the film and the game industry. It offers a very wide range of supporting crystals. It offers a wide range of animation tools, including keyframe animations, procedural animation, dynamic simulations, and character rigging. So, conclusion: the future of animating interactive programs. So, in conclusion, animating interactive program is a powerful tool for enhancing user experiences and creating engaging and dynamic digital experiences. By using animations such as hover effect, transition, and user triggered animations, developers can create more intensive and satisfying interactions for their users. So, the nature of animating interactive programs is poised to be dynamic, immersive, and highly engaging. As technology continues to advance and user expectations evolve, we can expect several exciting developments in this field. Looking to the future, we can expect to see even more innovative use of animations in interactive programs. As the technology continues to evolve, so too will the possibilities for animations and its impact on users' experience. So, for fourth and experiment with animation in your own project and see how we can take your digital experiences to the next level. So, the future of animating interactive programs is poised to dynamic. So the few trends that may shape the future of animating interactive programs may be augmented reality and virtual reality. With the ground of with the ground with the growing popularity of AR or VR technology, animating interactive programs will increasingly focus on creating immersive experience. Machine learning and artificial intelligence. Machine learning and artificial intelligence algorithms can enhance animation techniques by enabling programs to learn from user interaction and dynamically adapt their animation. And then real-time and interactive rendering. Advances in real-time rendering technologies will enable more complex and realistic animation, n- natural language processing, and gesture recognition. So this will enable more intuitive and natural interaction with animated programs. Multi-programs and cross-device compatibility. As users interact with the programs across various devices, including smartphones, tablets, PCs, and wearable devices. In summary, the future of animating interactive programs holds tremendous potential for creating captivating, immersive, and a personalized experience. Thank you. Have a nice day.